Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum Classic. As I said to you before, Ethereum Classic, as it moved above the wave B high, had a really good chance to be in the wave 3 and that wave 2 was finished. Overall, Ethereum Classic already ahead, in my opinion, of Bitcoin, ahead of Ethereum even, where Ethereum is still fulfilling this first wave to the upside currently in a wave 5. Ethereum Classic has already seen its ABC correction down, its wave 2, and is now in the third wave to the upside, in my opinion. That should take us to above $80. And here you can see very, very nice evidence that not everything is following Bitcoin, that it's worth to analyze charts individually, because they all move in their own waves. Yes, they move in groups, and there are certain coins that just have a very, very similar, if not the same wave count, short or long term. But there are coins which are completely decoupling themselves, and Ethereum Classic is one of them. It reached here my wave 2 target area. It only touched it really, which indicates the bullishness of this. But anywhere in this green box, it was possible for the correction to finish in a wave 2, which it did. We then saw this massive green candle that was another buy signal, an engulfing green candle. So some people might have used that. And then we moved up really in this wave 3. Okay, so we can count it in the larger wave 3. That is what we would need to assume now we are currently in. It's not entirely clear yet. It's not entirely clear, but I'll take you through that. At the moment, we can assume as long as this low is holding here at 35.66, that is the meaningful low that needs to hold for the current scenario to remain active. Okay. Actually, 1 second. For the current scenario, very important is to hold. Now, I would say this one actually. Here. For the current scenario to hold, we need to hold 38.83. And then similarly important is that 35.70 level, which is the wave 2 low. So the thing is, we can now assume that we are here in a wave 3 of a wave 3. Now there will probably be another layer of waves that I have to introduce here due to the length of this compared to where the target actually is for the higher level wave. But you can see that in this third wave, after we broke out of the channel, made this engulfing candle, we can count a 1, we can count a wave 2. In the wave 3 now, you can count the wave 3 possibly complete already, as a 1, as a 2, as a 3, as a 4, as a 5. Now be ready for possibly a setback, especially as we've reached a resistance level here at the previous wave 1 high and a descending trend line. If we break that already, it would be even more bullish. But for now, I think we can expect a small setback, possibly in a wave 4. Possibly in a wave 4, which should not go below 38.82. You would expect it in the area between $43.26 and $40.61. That would then be the wave 4. Can we assume wave 3 is finished? As I just showed you, we can count 5 waves as complete within the wave 3, and I believe we've even reached the 1.618 extension, the target that I gave you in the last video. Not 100%. So we missed it, but that is okay. I mean, it annoys me a bit, but target was here at 46.40, I believe. Would need to double check the previous video, but that is currently what shows the 1.618 extension. And we got to 45.70 or something. I mean, there's another way you can count this, where I would assume the wave 1 was actually here. There's a subwave and a 1. The start of the wave 1 down here, moved up in a wave 1, came down a 2. If I do it like that, okay, based on that, we already reached a 200% extension. So I think it's fair to assume we've reached wave 3 high. Could push a bit higher, but be aware of a small setback now in a wave 4. And then we should move up in a wave 5. Wave 5 target, we can also calculate, that would be $52, $52.60, I would say. That is based on the previous resistance here as well. A key resistance area, that is. $52.60 all the way up to $57, the 52.60 to $60, the 3.618 extension. Now it's important in the next step to move above this level here, above this key resistance area. That will make lower levels very unlikely, and it would just confirm even more that the low for Ethereum Classic was already in. Yeah, that's a key level structurally and also from an Elliott Wave point of view. So I think that is sort of what the bulls need to tackle first. First, they need to get now finally above this wave 1 high. As long as that is not the case, we could strictly assume that that wave 2 down here was never finished. Yeah, so that this is just an A, this is a wave B, and we're coming down in a C once more to finish off the wave 2. So that option is still on the table. Therefore, I gave you the key level here for the wave 1 and the wave 2 that we need to hold in order to keep the current scenario active. So keep an eye on these levels. So that is still an option, that the wave 2 was never finished. At the moment, we can assume it was finished, but again, the condition is that those levels need to hold. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum Classic. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.